Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube. Today we're going to check out the G-Gun Grease Gun. We'll take it out of the box, see what's in there, and talk through some of the features and benefits. What you get when you buy the G-Gun Grease Gun from LockNLube. Now to start, let's look at the G-Gun itself. This is the heaviest duty grease gun in the world. And here's why I say that. You've got industrial grade construction, you've got a 2-wire 10-foot hose, you've got over a 2-gallon capacity for grease, you've got a foot pedal that can deliver up to 10,000 psi and puts an ounce of grease through in 11 strokes. Now compare that to even your highest output lever grease gun, which is going to be at least 30 strokes for an ounce of grease. So you're tripling your output, you're increasing your PSI to deliver up to 10,000. You get the LockNLube Grease Coupler on the end of this hose. So not only do you get a super efficient greasing system, but you get a great way to push through clogged or sticky zerks. In addition to the LockNLube, the heavy duty hose, the high output, the high volume, this also has a patented pressure relief valve in it. So let's say you hit a zerk that you think you can push through, but the clog is so bad that you get a bunch of back pressure in the hose. Now, instead of getting the LockNLube off and having a wad of grease come out when you do that because of all the back pressure, you simply lift up on the foot pedal. And by doing that, you're going to allow all that back pressure in the hose to drain right back into the canister. So unlike your battery guns, where you've got a pressure relief valve that's going to leave grease all over, this is going to relieve the pressure, and it's going to put it right back in the canister so there's no mess. Now, let's get a little bit closer so we can look inside and see how the pump mechanism works. Alright, so now we're looking in the canister of the G-Gun so you can see how the pump unit works. You'll see that the pump unit is at the bottom of the canister, so it's self-lubricating. Because it's covered in grease, it's always going to stay clean and it's going to stay in good working order. As long as you put clean grease in here, this thing is going to work for years or decades. Now when you push the foot pedal down, you can see that pump unit moving. That's pushing up to 10,000 psi down the hose and also opening up the chamber for more grease. When you let go, it's going to reload. So that's it. It's that simple. In addition to the G-Gun, you're also going to get the G-Scoop. Now this is an easy, clean, fast way to move bulk grease from your 35-gallon pail or wherever you store it into your G-Gun. Now I've actually got one here that we've been using here in the shop to show you how it works. You've got this holding container that keeps it clean, you've got the scoop itself, and then you've got the paddle. So you'll scoop your bulk grease, and then you'll use the paddle to push it into your G-Gun, and then you can use the back end of this to clean off your scoop, tuck it away like that, put it back in the case, store it to keep the paddle clean so that when you go to scoop the grease again, you're not contaminating any of the grease. Anytime you're using bulk grease, you got to think about keeping it clean, and we've done everything we can to make sure we've got a system here that works for you. Now, if you want to see the G-Scoop in action, check out our other video of us using it to move bulk grease. Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit LockNLube.com.